Hey guys, welcome back. It's that time of the year again when I get to take my car down to a state inspection facility. And this is the notice that we get. It says, stop. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Proceed directly to jail. Please take this notice to a Smog Check station. So I thought I would take you guys with me and get as much of it on film as possible. And I remember looking this up a couple of years ago to see what states have state inspections, and I'm sure it's changed by now. So if you're living in a free state with no inspections, go ahead down below in the comments section and say, I live in a free state, and let us know what state it is. And if your state is doing safety or emission inspections, let us know that too. Alright, let's head out.
Recording. 2 channels started. Recording. 3 channels started. Wi-Fi disabled.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got done with the smog check, and it looks like Thick Dick Vic is going to live to fight for another 2 years. I got the paperwork here, and it says, "Congratulations, your vehicle passed the smog check inspection." Well, that's great news. So while I'm here, I've got some good lighting. I'm going to do a quick walk around and just show the outside of the car. So it's been a minute since this car has been on. Oh, there you go. It's been a couple of months since you've seen this car, and so one of the things I did is I got brand new headlight assemblies and corner light assemblies. I got those from my local Ford dealership, and then of course I got the new Michelin tires, but I think you guys already saw that. And then one thing I haven't made a video about is when I put on those heavy-duty load adjusting shocks from the F-150, the 2003 to 96 on the rear with the new Moog cargo coil springs. So you can tell the rear is sitting a little bit higher than the front. Okay, let's get back on the road.
Really want to spread the ride, and I have to take the time. I just that down. Okay. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know. Yeah, you're gonna go. To that woman. Rain. They got a lot of nice girls. Like, I'm waiting. Well, here it's fine. If you got the time, I'm not saying you care. Don't sell me. And here it's fine. I'm almost every night. But now I might be mistaken.